Welcome to Rajabala Kitchen. Press the subscribe button and bell icon for updates. Today we will make Catla fish fry, for which we will mix turmeric, chilli and salt to the Catla fish and keep it for 5 minutes. Now we will add the paste of ginger and garlic along with coriander and keep it for 10 minutes after mixing. At this stage, we will take the pan and heat it and pour some mustard oil onto the pan. Now we fry these Catla fish pieces into the mustard oil. Invert it and fry them till they become reddish brown in color. Now take these fried pieces into a plate and fry another pieces in the same way till they become reddish brown in color, and take them into another plate. Our fish fry is ready to eat. Please like, share and comment to our channel. Thank you.